Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Realme 14T. Okay, so let's begin. So first up we need to open up our WhatsApp, and once we are here we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and from here we can get into the settings. Now we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the chats. Now scroll down again and find the chat backup. And now under the Google account, simply select your Google account on which you want to store the backup. So currently I set it on the second one, and if you don't have the Google account that you want, simply click on add. Now we need to wait a little bit, and in here simply type your email or phone number, but also if you want to create a new one, simply click on create right in here. Okay, so once it's selected, below we have something called the automatic backups. Defaultly it will be set on off, but you can pick between the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup mode. So currently, as you can see, it's on the weekly, which means that every week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's a pretty comfortable option, you can select it. Below you have also some option to include the videos. You can enable it right in here, and below you can see that 1 megabyte will be uploaded. Okay, and below also you have something called end-to-end encrypt backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you will create a unique password that you will need to restore your backups in the future. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it. Don't forget the password, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, so once everything is selected as you want, simply click on this green button, backup. Okay, and now we are done. Above you can see when the last backup was made. As you can see, it's 5 PM, and below you also have the size. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.